Found a code file from a developer share and want to add those handy snippets to your toolkit? These shortcuts can dramatically speed up your coding. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to import Visual Studio Code snippets. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the CODE format and dozens of others obsolete. Developers using Visual Studio Code encounter CODE files as reusable code snippets. Their intent is to create, share, or install these snippets to accelerate their coding workflow. These files define a prefix, body, and description for a block of code that can be inserted into a document with a shortcut. The CODE file is a JSON-based text file. Microsoft chose this human-readable format to make it easy for developers to create and edit snippets manually. The structured key-value pairs allow for clear definition of the snippet's trigger, content, and placeholder variables for maximum flexibility and sharing. Your first application to test with CODE should be Microsoft Visual Studio Code from Microsoft Corporation. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated software. Windows lists the file, but execution requires a shell or scripting engine to run the code. Open the menu by right-clicking your CODE file and choosing Open with Test Microsoft Visual Studio Code first if it is visible. If not, select another application. Different tools have different strengths with specific formats. If you still can't open the COD file, it's okay. Given the proprietary nature of this CODE file, basic errors are the norm. We just need to confirm a few specific settings before proceeding to the actual fix. First, importing snippets. Open Visual Studio and access Tools. Then Code Snippets Manager. Select the appropriate language and click Import to load the code file. The snippet becomes available through the snippet shortcut, typed in the editor followed by tab. Customize snippet location through the My Code Snippets folder for organization. Next, editing snippets. Open code files in Visual Studio or any text editor like Notepad++ to view and modify XML content. Edit the title shortcut and code elements to customize behavior. Save changes and re-import through Snippets Manager. For advanced editing, use Snippet Designer extension providing visual snippet creation and editing tools. Finally, creating custom snippets. Build custom snippets in Visual Studio by selecting code and using tools, then Code Snippets Manager to start a new snippet. Define placeholder variables with literal elements for parameterized templates. Export snippets as code files for sharing with team members through source control or developer community sites like Visual Studio Marketplace. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.